Hey there. In this video, we're going to explore the different types of chemical reactions. Let's dive in. 1. Redox reactions. Oxidation reduction. Redox reactions involve the transfer of electrons from one species to another. Oxidation, the loss of electrons by a species, resulting in an increase in its oxidation number. Reduction, the gain of electrons by a species, resulting in a decrease in its oxidation number. Combustion, the reaction of a substance with oxygen, often producing heat and light. For example, the burning of methane. In this reaction, carbon in methane, CH4, is oxidized from an oxidation state of -4 to +4, whereas oxygen is reduced from 0 to -2. Corrosion, rusting, the deterioration of metals due to reactions with the environment. 2. Acid-base reactions. Neutralization. Acid-base reactions involve the transfer of protons, H ions. Acid, a substance that donates protons, H. Base, a substance that accepts protons, H, or donates hydroxide ions, OH. Vinegar plus baking soda. The reaction between acetic acid in vinegar and sodium bicarbonate in baking soda produces sodium acetate, water, and carbon dioxide. The bubbles you see are carbon dioxide gas. Stomach acid plus antacid, the reaction between hydrochloric acid in stomach acid and sodium hydroxide in antacid produces sodium chloride and water. Rainwater neutralizing lime. When rainwater, acidic due to dissolved CO2, reacts with lime, it forms calcium hydroxide and water. 3. Precipitation reactions. Precipitation reactions involve the formation of an insoluble solid called a precipitate. Silver nitrate plus sodium chloride. The reaction between silver nitrate and sodium chloride produces silver chloride, which is insoluble and forms a white precipitate. Hard water plus soap. The ions in hard water, such as Ca2 and Mg2, react with soap to form insoluble precipitates that form a scum on water. 4. Synthesis, combination, reactions. Synthesis reactions involve the combination of two or more substances to form one product. Hydrogen plus oxygen water. The simplest example is the combination of hydrogen and oxygen to form water. Rust formation, the reaction between iron and oxygen to form iron oxide, rust. 5. Decomposition reactions. Decomposition reactions involve the breakdown of a compound into simpler substances. Electrolysis of water, the decomposition of water into hydrogen and oxygen using electricity. 6. Single and double displacement reactions. Single displacement. A single displacement reaction is a type of chemical reaction in which one element replaces another element in a compound. For example, the reaction between zinc and copper sulfate. Double displacement. A double displacement reaction is a type of chemical reaction where two compounds exchange ions to form two new compounds. These reactions are common in aqueous solutions and often result in the formation of a precipitate, gas, or water. For example, the reaction between lead nitrate and potassium iodide. Let me know if this was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.